Are you an international student with a degree or master's on visa status like CPT, OPT, GC, or Citizen? CoursesIT.us is the right place for you. Have you been looking for the right place for an effective professional IT training with free job placement and job support? If yes, then CoursesIT.us is the best for you. We offer online and in-class training to help improve on their IT skills and make more money. We cater for training in Java, .NET, SAP, UI/UX, BA/QA, and many more. Resume preparations, mock interviews, and placements, and on-job support. We also offer mentoring services to groups and individuals. CoursesIT offers and assists you to get trained and help you get projects with our closest clients nationwide. Why choose us? Excellent customer support, bi-weekly payment, high-quality professional IT training. Get the right professional IT training only with CoursesIT. Visit our website, CoursesIT.us, for more information.